So my name is Madisen Spratt, and I'm a patient of Dr. Matthew Kaufman. So the first symptom I noticed was shortness of breath. I did have a lot of pain in my back and in my neck, and I would say the first symptoms started in August of 2021, and I was diagnosed in March of 2022. Diaphragm paralysis. Honestly, my life completely changed. I lost a lot of my independence because simple daily tasks like taking a shower or grocery shopping, I would have to take a break, I would have to sit down, I would feel like I couldn't catch my breath. It was really debilitating, to be honest. Even sleeping would get affected. I would wake up in the middle of the night feeling like I couldn't catch my breath. I have a job that's very physical, and so I wasn't able to work at the time, so it really affected every aspect of my life. So I saw a ton of different specialists. I was in and out of the hospital a lot, so they would send me to different specialists trying to figure out what was wrong. I did end up seeing a pulmonologist, and he kind of confirmed, like, nothing's wrong with her lungs, she's just like, her breathing is very weak. And my mom was the one who ended up finding Dr. Kaufman because she had done some research. I guess there's only so much that could be wrong with your breathing. There's only so many things. And so she ended up finding people that had issues with their phrenic nerve, and it was very similar symptoms to my own. And so when she started doing research, the only person that really came up was Dr. Kaufman. Initially, we had, I think, televisits, like over the phone or through video chat. And he was the first doctor that really made me not feel crazy, because everybody kept telling me that I was too young to have any issues with my phrenic nerve, that it didn't make sense, or they weren't sure what was wrong with me. And so he was the first person that I felt like I actually could talk to and that made sense and that I could trust, because he actually understood what was going on. And when I told him my symptoms, he was like, it's very normal. Like, what you're feeling is, you're not crazy. So I got surgery, I think it was in July of 2022. They were able to get me in really quick, which I was very grateful for. Going in, I was definitely a little nervous because it's something you've never done before, so it's just, you're unaware of how it's gonna really work. But I was also really eager because I knew what my life for the past year prior had looked like, and so I just felt ready. Surprisingly, for me, the surgery felt really simple in comparison to what my life had been in the year previously. It was a lot of work post-surgery because it's a lot of physical therapy and a lot of commitment to trying to strengthen your breathing. I'm back at work, things are really normal. I will still do physical therapy things like when I go to the gym, but I'm a lot more active, which is really nice. I feel like I really got my life back, to be honest. I feel like my health is normal. I feel like a human again. I think mainly I just want to say that Dr. Kaufman and his staff are great. Like I said, I saw a ton of specialists. I was in and out of the hospital. I spent so much time with doctors, and he by far exceeded my expectations for things, and any uncertainty or questions I had, he was able to talk to me about, and there wasn't really any time that I felt uncertain of anything with him, because he was really the only person that had answers to stuff, and his staff was very attentive. They always reached out really quickly, and so there really wasn't another group that I would have felt safer with.